We are proud to introduce our EV air shoes, CLOG LITE. CLOG LITE is primarily used in operation rooms, food processing factories, and clean rooms that require safety and sanitary conditions. The most notable feature is its lightness. The weight of one shoe is only 100 grams. It's only a quarter of the weight compared with other rubber products of the same size. CLOG LITE keeps deodorant effect and antimicrobial action semi-permanently against coronavirus and MRSA. Because photocatalytic special antibacterial material is blended into the main material. Besides, toe and the top of the foot are fully covered. Your foot will be prevented from invasion and protected by foreign objects. Air holes allow to ventilate humidity. Namespace enables you to recognize your shoes at first glance. CLOG LITE is flat-soled with garter belts. Also, anti-slip finish which prevents slipping on wet tiles. Overall, we can confidently say CLOG LITE is safe and reliable. If you have any questions or requests, please feel free to contact us at any time.